Good morning, everyone. I'm Christian Pilon. I'm the Regional Superintendent for Club Link in the Ottawa-Montreal area. And I'm here to talk to you about a very important practice that every golfer should be passionate about, and that is to fix your ball marks. Now, I've been fortunate enough to play a number of golf courses in my career, and I've always made a point to collect their favorite repair tools. So I have a number of repair tools out there, and I don't have a favorite one. I have my own personal favorite one, but the importance, it's not the tool itself, but it's to have one and to actually fix your ball mark. The idea is to make the putting surface the same or better than you've left it before. So there are a number of fancy tools, some one-prong tools. In the worst case scenario, a tee will have a good impact. There's some other ones. Us superintendents, we like to use our knives sometimes, but really for today's purpose, I'll use my current favorite one, my Greyhawk logoed repair tool. And another tool would be the putter to make sure that the surface is flattened. Now, you'll ask anybody, and they'll all have a favorite or a preferred method to fix it. And really, whether you're pushing it, twisting it in, the only thing that you don't want to do is lift the surface and leave a black mark at the bottom of the hole. So really, you use your tool, and every ball mark that you make will have its own personality. Now, one really good habit to take is to look at the entire green. So if we're coming from the fairway, the ball rarely lands right beside, right where it lies. So sometimes we need to take the habit of looking in front. So really a quick scan to make sure to see where that ball mark is. And depending on what kind of ball mark we find, it's a good idea, and I've made a few ball marks here, to go behind the ball mark, and whether you use a push motion or a twist motion, the idea is to bring grass back in the middle. So you really twist or push, and you don't have to stay right close to the ball mark. You can go a little bit further if you need to bring back some grass. Now there's grass everywhere, it looks good. Quickly tamp it, and this ball mark looks brand new. Now I have another ball mark here that has a little bit of a black muck underneath, and if I lift it, then you bring back the organic matter. So you really want to push it, twist it, and bring this grass to the middle. Now, a lot of people ask me if they remove a little divot, a little piece of grass into from the ball mark, do they replace it? My answer is yes. So I have one just like that here. I have a little piece of grass here. I'll put it right in the middle of my divot, and then I'll do the same thing. You push or twist the grass back towards the middle and tamp it back for an immaculate result. And that's how you make your fellow members and golfers have a wonderful experience on our golf course. Thank you.